Now this is the code for triggers over there, like how we create a triggers over there. The code is similar to what the creating the table. The way you create a table, it is also the way you create the triggers over there. So the same keyword which you use for what? For creating the table, same keyword you use for what? Use for the triggers as well, right? So we put create, okay, we say trigger, okay, and then name of the trigger. So you can put any name, XYZ, any name, right? So they say that cascade delete student record, okay. So cascade means like follow each other, follow the tables, okay. Before delete, so if I delete, okay, before delete on a student table, I want to do this thing. So it is what? It is before deletion and anything on the student table, okay. For each row I want begin delete from record where student ID is equal to the old student ID. So I want this function, whatever this function we will discuss later on. So this is one of the way that how we create the triggers over there, right? So this is called triggers to cascade delete. This is the name of this one is called trigger to cascade delete. Now see example, triggers to maintain the differential integrity between the students and the record. So you have two tables, students and another one is called record. You want to say that if I want to delete any student name, I have to do what? I have to do this thing before any student name is deleted over there, right? Because for example, if you graduated, takhrij, takhrij from the university done, okay, so your name will be deleted from the student list. Why? Because you are no more students, you are in the list of graduate students. Takhrij, tulbatul takhrij, or what you call in Arabic?
تخرج not تخرج.
Takharraj. Yeah, takharraj, okay. So takharraj students. Now what do you call like graduated students in Arabic? Exact word.
خريج.
Kharijin?
خريج.
Kharij, okay, yeah.
So for individual.
Yeah, so you have to make a pressure on the ra. Okay. So these are for like, for example, if you have like completed your studies, so what will happen in the student for example, the student ID, the ID before you, it will come in place of you, right? So it means your ID will be deleted from the student one.
Doctor?
Yes.
Doctor, is doing this operation until this end or just doing one time? Is a loop?
Yeah, because I tell you one example. See, for example, this is a table, right?
Yeah.
And your name is in the middle, okay? And you want to delete this, you have graduated, right? You want to delete.
Yeah.
So what will happen? This, okay, so hence the lower one will come at your place, see?
Oh,
and
okay.
this will come at this place, right? So this operation, see this one. The student ID, the records will be updated, see? Because before there were 10 students, now, before it was how much? 10 students, but one student got takhrij. Now what will happen? 9. So you have to update it.
Specific.
Doctor,
Yes.
you delete the whole row or just the name alone?
No, because the whole row will be updated over there, right? So all the row, because there will be 9 rows instead of 10, it will be 9 rows. So to do this operation, we need the services of the triggers over there, because we want to delete, okay, delete the student ID. See the student ID over there, one row. So one row is deleted. So for that, we need this operation.